All right, so got some sad news for Project Bravo, and it may involve me taking apart all of this again. Let me show you what's going on. So I got a new battery, as you can see, got it all connected. Everything. You hear the fuel pump priming, so that's a good thing. Ooh, it almost started. Just need to get it going. I don't know, it almost sounds like there's no pressure. Sounds like it wants to go. Ooh, I smell a lot of fuel. So the fuel pump is definitely working. See, because my first thought is that this Felpro head gasket is shit. Like, I don't know, I've never come across these kind before. I prefer the old kind, I guess. But fucking California probably ruined it for everybody on a decent... Hold on, let me try some starter fluid and see if I can get it going. But I'm pretty sure... I mean, I haven't tested the pressure in each cylinder or anything, but I'm pretty sure that almost sounds like a pressure issue. At least to me. I don't know. If you guys think otherwise, let me know. But if that's the case, this has all got to come back off, and I got to put a new head gasket on there. So it almost sounds like it wants to fire up. But let me try some starter fluid. Hopefully I don't blow this thing up. I do have another engine just in case, but I'd rather not do that. But it is what it is if it does happen. So stand by. Yeah, all I got was some backfiring. And it sounds like it wants to go, but yeah, so the next step is to dig in here with where the coil pack is right here and check each cylinder for pressure. So yeah, so I tried the starter fluid and it's just backfiring. So almost back to square one. I should have just well, I'm pretty sure the head gasket was blown on it to begin with, so we are back to square one. Only thing we're not having to do is change the water pump. Which, that being said, I have no leaking from the radiator system, so that got to check down here underneath the thermostat housing. But all right, guys, that's where we're at with Project Bravo right now. So I'm just gonna have to order another head gasket. Hopefully it's the right kind. I'm not too impressed with this metal layered head gasket that they're coming out with now. However, I am going to do a pressure test first before I do that, because it could be something else. I don't think it is, but that's the first thing that comes to mind as far as the head gasket. Okay, all right, guys, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.